We use the term harmony in other parts of life when things are working really well together. We say those things are working together in harmony. In music, harmony can take simple melodies and add to them colour and emotion. To use its most simple definition, harmony is when two or more musical sounds are played at the same time. Let's have a listen to some examples. For a long time, music was purely melodic. It just consisted of melody lines that people would sing. But one of the earliest forms of harmony is what we call a drone. It's a simple single note that carries on underneath a melody line, and we can hear this in a lot of folk music. Bagpipes, for example, produce a constant drone that runs underneath the rest of the music. Each time a note of the melody sounds against the drone, the result is a chord. A chord is simply two or more notes that sound to us like they're happening at the same time. When we strum a guitar, for example, all those notes come together to form one chord. However, the two-note chords that we've heard so far can often sound quite bare, and over time musicians began experimenting with three-note chords to add harmonies to the melodies they'd written. Let's have a listen to some three-note chords. I think you'll agree that some of the combinations of notes sound better than others. There is something very special about the combination of these three particular notes. I hope you'll agree that they seem to sound better blended and have fewer of the rough edges that some of the other chords seem to have. These particular three-note chords are called triads and lie at the heart of all Western music. You can hear them in music ranging from Bach to the Beatles. We can add simple harmony to almost any melody once we know how to play a small number of triads. However, it would be wrong to think of an equation for music that goes melody plus chords equals music. Sometimes in music there isn't a clear definition between the melody and the chords that accompany it. When different melodies are sung at the same time, their notes can join forces to make three-note chords. This is called polyphony, and you will even know some polyphonic music. You will have sung this piece in a round. This is an example of polyphony. So on that note, or group of notes, that's all for this video. But there's a lot more to harmony than just 3-note chords. Over centuries, composers in many styles of music have developed other tricks and techniques to make their harmony more effective and exciting. We'll be looking at lots of these and how you can use harmony in music you compose in the future.